Everyday life is so full of hustle and bustle, which is why it's important to take a few moments of quiet time for yourself each day. Counting your blessings and thinking about what you are grateful for goes a long way in calming your mind and spirit. Try starting a grateful journal to document all of those good things in your life. Living in the present is vital to maintaining a peaceful and balanced life rather than thinking obsessively about the past or worrying about the future. To become peaceful and centered, you first need to work on yourself. These internal changes will eventually become apparent externally. Your mind can be your greatest motivator, but also your greatest doubter. Put mind over matter by choosing to focus on the positive. If you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.